We are so lucky in today's age that we have many indicators that can help us figure out where the market is going, where is the price of Bitcoin going, where are the price of altcoins going. We asked one of our favorite YouTubers, Crypto Love, what he thought the best indicators were. Some traders may only trade with, say, the RSI. They look at the price action, they may look at volume, and that will be it. But there are many other indicators, both on chart and off chart, that can help us become better traders and certainly more profitable. Here's what Crypto Love had to say. So what are some of the favorite places you like to go and indicators that you use to give you an idea of what to talk about in your videos and where the market's going?
Yeah, so I would say I have a few top resources that I like to use. So one of my favorite resources is just some research done by Willy Woo, where he takes a look at Bitcoin compared with all the other altcoins. And like I grew up with a scientific education, and so when I see like data that supports certain things, I get pretty convinced whether it's true or not. But he has a chart where he takes a look at Bitcoin versus 2,600 altcoins, the top 2,600 altcoins, and so Bitcoin goes up, and altcoins in general they all trend down. And there are five of them that are oscillators, so they bounce back and forth against Bitcoin. So this was one way that I was able to call Dogecoin, like back months ago when Dogecoin was worth nothing. I called the pump of this because I was like, hey, this is an oscillator that's way down against Bitcoin. It's bound to bounce back. And I didn't know when it would happen, but I knew that based on, this theory that there are a bunch of degenerators that just lose value against Bitcoin and five oscillators, if you play the oscillators correct, then you bet on them when they're low, and then when they're high, you sell. And so Dogecoin was one that I was able to call. The next oscillator that's going to do that is Litecoin. I don't know when, but it looks like it's starting to break out of the band that it's been in for a while. And so that's one resource, is just the Willy Woo post on oscillators and degenerators. Another resource that I like, just because it's kind of pretty and it's kind of true, is the Bitcoin rainbow chart.
Yeah,
And that
brought
one,
that up a lot. I love it.
yeah, that one's just like such a great indicator of where we are in the market and the overall market sentiment. And also, when it gets into the sell seriously sell area and like massive FOMO area, I'm definitely going to think twice, three times, four times about selling, because that's probably going to be the time when I'm going to least want to sell. And so having that chart is going to be a very handy resource. Also on that same site, the blockchaincenter.net, there's an altcoin season index, which is really cool because it takes a look at, is it alt season or is it Bitcoin season? And that just the going between altcoin season and Bitcoin season, that's an oscillator too. So you can actually, I haven't done it myself, but I'm theorizing that you could actually do that to know when to get into and out of Bitcoin and altcoins to play that more profitably just from that chart. So those are two charts that I like. And then on another resource that I do like is on TradingView. There's a trader there called Trading Shot, and I just think he has really accurate analyses on his charts. So that's another resource that I like to use.
Hey, if you like that video, we would love for you to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and press all so you can be updated when we go live or when we have more experts coming on board to talk about trading, conscious crypto, mindset, psychology, overcoming FUD and FOMO. We're having conversations here at Conscious Crypto Traders that no other YouTube channel is having. So we would love for you to join our community. You know what to do. And if you're interested in our concept of conscious crypto and conscious trading, I have a VIP group called Crypto Ninjas, and you can see the link below in our description where you can go over to that website, check it out, see if it resonates with you. We get together 4 times every month. One of those times is a clearing session where we're looking at all the emotions that came up during the month in our trading, looking at all the psychology barriers that were there that perhaps made us jump into trades too early or get out of trades too late or lose money, and we clean it up and we clear it so that you can come into a really clear-headed space for the coming weeks. with your trades. Each month that we go through that, you will find you get less and less and less emotionally triggered. We also go through technical analysis, market analysis, ninja techniques for trading, and scenarios so that we become conscious and better traders. The link for Crypto Ninjas is below. Thanks so much for listening. And if you're interested in more of what we are offering, you will see another video to look at the end of this card.